Just a few notes on what I found with caulk for you beginners or you new timers or whatever. Uh, you guys that have done this before and you experienced reefers, by this point you're already laughing at me for my ridiculous video. I've been wanting to build this sump for 25, 30 years. And back then it would have been a wet dry system. Not so much anymore. Seems to be people are doing things like GMO and running refugiums. Anyway, I caulked that tank last night, so 24 hours ago. Here we have a blob about a quarter-inch thick, and it's finally solid enough that it's almost cured all the way through, if it isn't completely cured already. Feels like it could have a little bit more to go. By morning it'll be fine. It could take an aquarium full of water. That blob is even bigger. That blob is this caulk. The GE brand with no mold inhibitors is great. I use that to caulk the 75-gallon aquarium, and by the next evening I had it full of water because the seams were not thick like that. That tank that I caulked 24 hours ago using a cheaper caulk, it's been 24 hours and the thicker parts of that are still pretty squishy, and I haven't even used it in thick beads. It's reasonably, normal beads, man. And I wouldn't put water in it yet. It's been 24 hours. Pay the extra buck, get the real deal.